Okay, this is that IFIELD knife, folding knife. It's a bushcraft and camping knife. Okay, it's a Lockback. That's a solid knife. I actually threw it last week. Don't throw your folders. But I customized the sheath that's on the belt. Everything's beautiful. Here's a little place I sewed in for a ferrule rod. And as this wears down, I can put in another one. That's why I left it open at the bottom. But I want to see if I can get a fire started out here real quick. Thing's sharp. Oh yeah, I got real nice thin stuff here. I got nice thin stuff here. Did I say that? Whoa. There you go, guys. Now, we got a fire. It's dry out here. Oh, that didn't work. It's dry out here, so there we go. Not bad, huh? Get that out a little bit. Pretty cool. Y'all see that? That thing's just really sharp, man. So, that's a video I've been wanting to do with that ferrule rod to the playground. So it slips right in here. So you got it on the go. You'll never see my bare ass on Naked and Afraid because I'm not that good at it. But it worked. I'll get me a better ferrule rod, small, and it'll slip right in there. This is a good one, it's just it's really small to hold. So there you go. In my custom sheath right here, pouch. I'm very proud of that pouch right there. I like this whole kit. I wear it around the yard sometimes. All right, guys. So I got